Hi friends, I am on Epic right now and we are going to read a story called Apes Find Shapes, which is a book about recognizing shapes. So let's take a look. Alright, so this is all about the library. Eva opens a word window. Guess what she sees? Eva sees 4 funny apes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's find shapes, say the apes. The first ape smiles. This ape is in a circle shape, he says. Let's find circle shapes. Ooh, the apes find traffic light circles. 1, 2, 3. They find circle eyes on an owl in a tree. 1, 2 eyes on the owl in a tree. They find circle pancakes in a pan. They find bubbles, a ball, and a circle snowman. Did you know that when we make our snowmen, we make them into circles? Let's eat a circle, says the ape. Let's do. Eva eats 1 donut. The apes eat 2. The second ape smiles. This is a square shape, she says. Let's find square shapes. They find a square window. They find a square block. They find a checkerboard and a big square box. They find stickers and books in a lunchbox too. They find a lion's square cage at the zoo. Thank goodness he's at the zoo and not just out and about. Let's eat a square, says the ape. Let's do. Eva eats 1 cracker. The ape eats 2. He's a hungry ape. The third ape smiles. This is a triangle shape, he says. Let's find triangle shapes. They find triangle flags and a triangle sail. They find triangle teeth and a triangle tail. They find triangle baskets and a little teepee. They find a triangle kite and a triangle tree. Let's eat a triangle, says the ape. Let's do. Eva eats 1 slice of pie. The ape eats. How many pieces do you think? 2. Very good. That pie looks yummy. I think it must be blueberry. The fourth ape smiles. This is a rectangle shape, she says. Let's find rectangle shapes. They find rectangle windows and a rectangle door. They find a rectangle robot on a rug on the floor. Let's eat a rectangle, says the ape. Let's do. Eva eats 1 candy bar. The apes eat how many? 2. The 4 apes put shapes together. Look at what shapes are they putting together? I see a square, a rectangle, a circle, and a triangle. Then they zoom away. Goodbye, apes. Eva closes the word window. The end. So think about all of the different shapes that they saw in that story. They saw circles and triangles. They saw some squares and some rectangles. Excellent. All right, let's move into our Go Math. All right, let's get ready to count to 100 by tens. Here we go. Make sure you're singing along.
The Singing Walrus.
Counting by tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how you count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70,
90,
80,
80,
90,
90,
100.
100.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how you count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how you count by tens.
Excellent job, friends. All right, let's look at our goal for today. We will be able to identify, name, and describe different types of circles by the end of our math today. All right, so circles are all around us, just like in the book that we just read about the apes with all those different shapes. Think about all the circles that you see every single day. You see circles outside, you see circles at home, at school. So some examples of circles would be the sun is in the shape of a circle, a soccer ball is in the shape of a circle, right? And then wheels on bikes, on cars, on trains, all of the different types of wheels are always in the shape of a circle. So now what I want you to do is count how many circles you see in this picture. So just counting the circles. Go ahead and count them. When you think that you know, put your thumb by your heart. Okay, tell me how many circles you think you see. Awesome, let's look and see if we were right. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. If you got it, go ahead and kiss your brains. So smart. Excellent. What other shapes do you see in this picture? I see some triangles and some rectangles too, right? Along with our circles. All right, look at these cool circles that I found a picture of. So circles, they have a curve and they do not have any corners or edges. So that means that you can't, if you were to sit on a circle, you'd kind of just slide right off, right? And there's no sharp edges or corners for you to bump into. They just kind of go around and around. And that's why balls are usually in the shape of a circle, because they roll so well. All right, let's look at our star fall shapes practice, okay? So, let's do button sorting. Okay, here we go.
Button sort.
Should we do easy, medium, or hard? I think hard.
Hard.
Okay, what shape do you see here? A star. Let's move it in there. How about this one? What shape? Square. Do we see any squares down here? Oh. Let's see. We go right here. Yeah, kind of like a little bit like a rectangle. Not quite, but let's see. Any heart shapes? No. This is, let's try this one. Okay, we'll do another one of these. Up, another octagon. And another one. Here's another star. Square. So what do we do with these ones? So where could the heart go? Should we try with the star? No, not the star. Oh, because it matches. It has the same pattern, right? So maybe not the same shape, but look at the pattern. There we go. So which one do we have the most of? Yeah, these two right here have the most. Very good. All right, friends. So remember, you can use Starfall for free right now. So go ahead, if you have access to it, feel free to go and play the different games. Focus on some different shapes that you can practice. Also focus on some different numbers and addition and subtraction. All right, good job, friends.